Oh, it smells divine. Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I have some happy mail / PR from Isis Ella Jewels. It is kind of big. I have pretty much a good idea of what's in here, but let's go ahead and dive in. Oh, it smells divine. So this is a thank you card. Ooh, it's very nice. Thank you card. And then, okay, that's information for this. So, let's see. I can already tell this is going in my room. Wow. I've smelled this scent before. This is Mimosa, a soy wax 10-ounce candle from Isis Ella Jewels. This is the label. So this one is balance, peace found at the center of acceptance. And then that's the Lili doll. This is what it looks like. And then this is the candle care instructions. And it smells, I can't think of what I've smelled that smells like this, but it does. Now, I'm not like other YouTubers that will burn a candle on their desk, so I'm not gonna burn it. I'm very careful with how and where I burn a candle. But I will try to remember to report back and let you know what I think. But so far, just smelling it after unboxing it, it smells great. Yeah. I want to see what kind of throw it has, but I got a feeling it has a really good throw. So these are spiritual candles. There's still a few left on the website at isisellajewels.com. This one is the Rest, Reset, and Relax Spiritual Candle Mimosa Quartz. Okay, so this set is the Lili's Affirmation and Angel Numbers. These are scripts that say release, align, peace, glow, rise, soar, reset, courage, heal, uplift, invest, trust, execute, pray, love, listen, faith, thrive, renew, accept, in all different fonts. Then you have 0 through 9 in angel numbers. So those are the scripts. These are the Lili affirmation dolls. So you can use the affirmations and the angel numbers to add to the little signs that Lili is holding. So that's pretty cool. So these are the different Lili doll options. And I believe these are available on the isisellajewels.com website now. So you can go check them out. This is what they look like. It's pretty cool that you can use these to customize the doll stickers. It's pretty cool. Okay, so there is Lili's affirmations. So these next stickers are part of the Daily Reminders release that will be released on Friday, September 16th at 9 a.m. PST. I believe that is 12 noon Eastern time. I'll put all the correct times in the description box below. The releases will be available at isisellajewels.com. You will be able to use my code Rachelle10 to save 10% off your order. Then we get into, I think these are the scripts. So these are functional scripts, I believe. Have errands, weekday scripts. We have declutter, destash, organize, rearrange. These are pretty well thought out, I think, also. This one is church girl script, prayer, Bible study, worship, scripture, communion. This one is the work script. This one is Planner Girl Erin's script, Target, Michaels, Joann, Starbucks, Home Goods. Self-care script. So this one is Me Time script, shower, bath, face mask, shave, exfoliate. This one is Trust Yourself. Here we go. Chore script, laundry, vacuum, dishes, sweep, mop, dust. Again, very functional scripts. Today. Okay, and then grocery run. Here are some more of the daily reminder releases. This is love, courage, angel, truth, hope. Really like hope, and I love these, the look of these reflections. And believe in yourself. I like these with the backgrounds and everything. I think they're really cool. Okay, so that's part of the new release. I think these are reformatted Lili stickers. So let's flip through and see these. Praying Lili. Spiritual Cleanse Lili. Wash Hair Lili. Cute and Comfy Lili. Lili. Is that just one? Yeah. Reading Lili. Gonna need that for my reading journal. Spiritual Bath Lili. Cleaning Day Lili. So that is it for the releases and what's available at Isis Ella Jewels. The candles will be restocked October 7th, but there are a few available still on the website, so you can go check that out. And for now, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.